Yeah. Flight crew. Hizzy Grinch, Kid Manny. We on our way. R.P. Aaliyah, come home soon. Take flight. Let's get it. Look, I found something I never lose, and just to call it something I never lose. It feels like everything is so soothing. Bring my nigga back home very soon, and tell him I believe in my click flight crew, and tell them my boys from the start, yeah they shoot. And remember I broke my ankle acting so stupid. Jumped out the golf cart while it was moving. Movement, flight, and I never been a lot on my team. Told you nigga it's flight crew over everything. Shout out to Riot, he a rap guy. Crown him king, had to share rooms with 6 others, let it ring. Fly J the pilot of the crew, but we leaders of the team. Broke the riches with my niggas, making them nosebleed. Free my niggas, bring them home. Aaliyah, rest in peace. Hizzy Grinch on the track, your boy it's Kid Manny. Take flight.
Making nothing out of something, and my mind is just like fuck it. Steady struggling, trying to come up with a better reason to how I'm feeling. My life feels like I'm dreaming, and I can barely see it. R.I.P. to my uncle, the day you passed I was weeping. Remember mom was always screaming, cross town is the hood to be in. Take flight, cause I was always leaving. Riding all the way to Conway just to hear our girls beefing. Kid Manny is my nigga, and Fly J's always believing. Dream chasing is the key to sleeping. People always gotta hate, but they ain't hating for no reason. We got talent, can't you see it? Try to make a little money so my team could just be eating. Real niggas move in silence just to listen to the violence. Red lights with the sirens have a pussy nigga crying. 800 what I rep, and my niggas just supplying. Popping off like a riot. Shout out to my nigga Riot, cracking codes like the pirates. I'ma die always flying. Salute.